from your master's door. You'd build all the gun. You'd build the death bridge. You'd build all the gun. You'd hide behind walls. You'd hide behind them. I just want you to know I can't see through your mask. You've never done nothing but to build and destroy. You play with my world as your little toy. You put a drug in my head and you hide from my eyes. Then you turn and run farther when the fast bullets fly. Like Judas Salvo, you lie and deceive. The world war can be won. You want me to believe, but I see through your eyes. I see through your brain, like I see through the water that runs down my drain. You that fasten all the triggers, for the others to fire. Then you set back and watch while the death count gets high. You hide in your mansion while young people flows out of their bodies and is buried in the mud. You've thrown the worst fear that could ever be hurled. The fear to bring children into this world, for threatening my baby. I'm born in a name. You ain't worth the blood that runs in your veins. How much do I know to talk out of turn? You might say that I'm young, you might say I'm unlearned, but there's one thing I know, though I'm younger than you, even Jesus would never forgive what you do. Let me ask you one question. Is your money there? Will it buy you forgiveness? You think that it could? Oh, I think you will find when your death is full, all the money you made will never buy back your soul. And I hope that you die, and your death will come soon. I'll follow your casket in the pale afternoon, and I'll walk out your Lord into your deathbed, and I'll stand over your grave till I'm sure that you're dead.